मुख्यमंत्रीजी तसेच आदरणीय फॉरेस्ट मिनिस्टर सगळ्या मानेस्ता लागी मागता की काजीच्या रोपांक उदक घालूनच ह्या काजू महोत्सवाचे रीतसर असे उक्तावण करचे. काजीच्या झाडांक उदक खूप लागता असे म्हणता. दर फाटी काजू महोत्सवाक आमच्या मदी GTDCचे चेअरमॅन भोमानेस श्री गणेश बाब गांवकर पाविल्ले आसात. तांचे आमी स्वागत करता मना काळजा सावन. मागता मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर श्री नंदकुमार परब हांचे लागी की तांणी येवकाराचे उलोवप करचे.
A very warm welcome to all of you and good evening. First, on behalf of entire team of GFDC, I would like to extend a warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. It is indeed a great and proud moment for all of us to have you, sir, here. Your presence today underscores the government's commitment to promoting our state's unique agriculture heritage, empowering our local communities and advancing the cashew industry in the state of Goa. Thank you very much, sir, for your invaluable support and continued guidance in organizing this Season 3 Cashew Fest Goa. It is also my pleasure to welcome Honorable Minister of Forest, Health, TCP, Urban Development, Women and Child Development, Sri Vishwajit Raneji. Your immense support and guidance have been crucial in organizing this vibrant Season 3 Cashew Fest. Sir, you are truly a driving force for this corporation, and under your able leadership, we were able to plan this exclusive Cashew Festival. I would like to welcome the Minister of Tourism, Information and Technology and Printing and Stationery, Sri Rohan Kauteji, for taking time from their busy schedule to grace this occasion. Your esteemed presence is a proud moment for all of us. I also take this opportunity to welcome the Honorable Chairperson of GTDC and MLA Savante constituency, Dr. Ganesh Gaonkarji, for gracing this occasion. It's a pleasure to have you with us today, sir. I also take opportunity to welcome Honorable MLA Navelim constituency, Tuyekar, and also Praveen Arlekar, MLA Penne constituency, for gracing this occasion. It's a pleasure to have you, sir, with us today on this dais. On this special occasion, I would like to welcome our visionary chairman, Madam Dr. Divya Raneji, esteemed dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. We are delighted to be witnessing this vibrant Season 3 Cashew Fest of Goa today. Originally, the exclusive organizing Cashew Fest was the brainchild of our chairperson and was a very challenging task to make it reality in Season 1. However, under the able leadership of our committed chairperson and under able guidance, we organized the same successfully with the support of state governments and our minister. On this occasion, I take this opportunity to welcome our respected PCCF sir, Kamal Datta sir. Thank you very much, sir, for your guidance, support and patronage in organizing this festival. I welcome our APCCF and Chief Wildlife Warden K. Ramesh Kumar Sarji, our Chief Conservator of Forest Praveen Kumar sir, Chaudhary sir, and all senior forest officers. Your presence is motivating and inspirational. I also welcome all the secretaries, Government of Goa, senior police officials, Agriculture Secretary, Finance Secretary, Sports Secretary, Excise, District Collector North, Fire Department, Goa State Pollution Control Board, Environment Secretary and CCP Panjim staff for their support in organizing this fest, which is praiseworthy. I welcome all the Swayambhurna Mitras who have come all the ways from different parts of Goa for gracing this occasion. I would like to welcome all the esteemed partners, Sports Department, Sports and Sports Authority of Goa, Kala Academy, Makija family and all the stakeholders for supporting and organizing the Cashew Fest in befitting way from the very beginning. On this special occasion, I welcome all the officers of the Government of India who are participating in this event. I am happy to share that all the ministries of Government of India who are concerned with one way or the other with this cashew industry, ICAR, then Director of Cashew and Cocoa Board Kochi, FSSI Bombay, Food and Drugs Department, Science and Technology Department, Goa State Biodiversity Board, Goa Forest Department, Atal Incubation Center, Handicraft Departments, Director of Agriculture for their participation in this festival by putting up their stalls for demonstration and by helping us in technical session. I welcome all the Sarpanch from the Salsett and Marmugava Taluka who are present here and taken lead in Green Initiative project with GFDC that to take up the cashew plantation in their panchayat area. Sir, through this festival, we have attempted to provide a common platform to government, industries, stakeholders, academicians and researchers to come together and discuss the issue presently facing the rural cashew industry. Our aim is to bridge the gap between these stakeholders and identify suitable measures to promote cashew industry. On this occasion, sir, I would like to highlight before you the esteemed gathering that the guiding principle for this year's celebration is explore, empower and enrich. This tagline is not just a collection of words, but it embodies the vision for the future of Goan industry. It speaks to our collective journey of exploration, that is to discover new and innovative ideas of cultivation and utilizing the precious nut and feni hurrak and understanding the rich heritage that underpins our cashew tradition. Ultimately, our efforts are directed toward the enrichment, that is enriching the life of our farmers and communities. On this occasion, sir, I would like to highlight before the esteemed gathering that I am thrilled to introduce some of our initiatives that our Madam Divya Rane will be going to announce in this August gathering. Sir, in this festival we are displaying the stalls, experience centers for cashew and its products, also a fashion show by Philo Martins tomorrow, through which we are hopeful that we could promote Goan culture and fabrics. To conclude, sir, once again I would like to welcome one and all on behalf of GFDC. Sir, we assure you that we will work towards the enhancement of cashew production in Goa with collective efforts in years to come. Let us embrace this spirit of explore, empower and enrich as we celebrate the golden bounty of cashew and work together towards a brighter and more prosperous future for this vital industry. Thank you, and I wish all a fruitful and enjoyable Cashew Fest. Thank you very much.
देव बरें करूं परब सर या मोगाळ अशा येवकार भाशणा खातीर चडांचड देव बरें करूं. या भव्य अशा काजू महोत्सवात जंय काज आनी काजू तशेंच काजूचे मार्केटिंग, प्रोडक्शन, रिसर्च, सेलिंग हेच मुखेल विषय जावन आसात. या महोत्सवात सोयऱ्यांचे स्वागतूय बी काजीचे रोप दिवन करपूच योग्य थारले. आमी सगळ्या सोयऱ्यांक येवकार भेटूया. सर्वेक सुवाळ्याचे मुखेल सोयरे भोवमानीस मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद बाब सावंत. डॉक्टर देविया राणे जी, तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुम्ही सगळ्यांचे स्वागत करशात. Honorable Forest Minister Shri Vishwajit J. Rane. Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Rohan Ji Khawte. GTDC चे चेअरमॅन श्री गणेश बाब गावकर. होमनिस्ट श्री प्रवीणबा बार्लेकर, डॉक्टर चंद्रकांत शेटिये. थँक्यू मॅम. तसेच श्री कमल दत्ता सर, IFS PCCF, आणि परब सर तुमच्या लागे मागता की चेअरमॅन डॉक्टर देविया राणे ज्यांच्या संकल्पनेतल्यान हो काजू फेस्टिवल साकारला तांचे बी तुम्ही स्वागत करचे.